Hello, it's me. I was wondering for after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to hear you, but they done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how to felt before the world fell out at feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. But I don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry, I hope that you will. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you sorry for everything that I've done, but when I call you, never seems to be home.